IKONN CS-1 color sensor. The color sensor is an IKONN plug-in accessory designed to work with an IKONN controller. When connected, it allows you to detect and compare colors in your chosen language. To connect the sensor, locate the docking port on top of your IKONN controller and remove the protective rubber cover. Push the color sensor into the port until it is fully inserted and clicks into place.
Color sensor connected.
It should slide in smoothly. If it does not fit, turn it around and try again. If there is a protective cover on the front of the sensor, remove it before use. Once connected, new options will appear in the IKONN main menu. Scroll to the color sensor entry using the arrow buttons and select it by pressing the OK button.
Color sensor. Press or hold OK to read the surface color, textile surface.
When the color sensor is active, you can choose between 4 modes. Selecting the correct mode helps improve accuracy of measurements. Flat surface mode is suitable for materials such as paper, plastic, metal, or painted walls.
White.
Textile surfaces include materials such as clothing, fabric, carpets, or upholstery. These surfaces are usually less reflective and are treated differently by the sensor.
Light beige.
Use the screen and LED mode to test the color of an external light source, such as a computer screen or status LED on an electronic product. In this mode, the sensor will accept that there is background light, but you should try to minimize it to improve the quality of the reading.
Blue. Orange.
In any of these 3 modes, you can measure the surface color immediately by clicking the OK button.
Yellow. White.
Or by holding down the OK button and moving it slowly across the surface, you can detect color patterns or stripes. The sensor scans every half second, so be careful not to move it too quickly.
33% blue, 33% pink, 33% dark red.
For best results, always hold the end of the sensor flat against the surface to block the outside light. Keep it steady and avoid gaps between the sensor and the object. Shiny, very dark, or textured materials may give less consistent results, so if needed, try measuring from a slightly different position. Woolen fabrics may appear darker. If you are testing light textiles, try to bunch the material in multiple layers, so reflections through the material don't disturb the reading.
White.
The color compare function allows you to compare the color of 2 surfaces.
Color comparison.
The sensor will tell you if the 2 surfaces are identical, very similar, similar, or different.
Scan color B.
Use this function to pair socks or find complementary colors of clothing.
Colors. Very similar.
For best results, keep the sensor at the same angle on both surfaces you want to compare. To use the light sensor function, scroll to the light sensor entry in the IKONN main menu using the arrow buttons and enter it with an OK button press.
Light sensor. The light sensor function can detect the presence of light. Press the OK button to start and stop the detection.
The sensor will continuously report the amount of light detected in front of it until you press the OK button again to stop the measurement. When finished, press the Cancel button to exit and remove the sensor from the controller.
Cancelled. Color sensor disconnected.
If you leave the color sensor inserted into the IKONN controller for extended periods, we recommend inserting the protective rubber stopper that came with your controller. For additional support and information, visit the IKONN.info website.